ओम शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्री महासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा। वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। पीतांबरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामान् जस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशीविभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलादरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മഞ്ഞനെ കുമ്പീരേണ്ടാത്തോറും രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the class. So today maybe we'll just do a quick review of 35. So I just want to pick anyone. So who wants to volunteer to do 35 today?
I can do, Rajesh.
Okay, go ahead, Lakshmi Garu.
Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Dashakam 35 Shri Ramacharita Varnana. Neta Sugriva Maitrim Tadanu Hanumata Dundubhe Kaya Muchaihi Kshiptvangushthena Bhuyo Luluvitha Yugapat Patrina Saptasalan Hatva Sugriva Ghato Dyatamatula Balam Valinam Yajavruttya Varsha Vela Manaishihi Viraha Taralitastvam Matangashramante Sugrivenanujoktiya Sabhayam Abhiyata Vyuhitam Vahinim Tam Rikshanam Vekshya Dikshu Drutamatha Dayita Marganaya Vanamram Sandesham Changuliyam Pavanasutakare Pradisho Modashali Marge Marge Mamarge Kapibhirapi Tada Tvatpriya Saprayasaihi Tatvadvarta Karnanodyat Garudurujava Sampati Sampati Vakya Protirnanodihi Antarnagari Janakajam Vikshya Dattvangulyam Prakshudyoddyanam Akshakshapanacharanah Sodha Bandho Dashasyam Drishtva Plushtva Chalankan Jatiti Sahanuman Mauliratnam Dadaute Tvam Sugrivangadadiprabalakapichamuchakravikranta Bhumi Chakro Vikramya Pare Jaladhinishicharendranujashriyamanaha Tat Proktam Shatruvartam Rahasi Nishamayanno Prarthana Parthya Rosha Prastagneyastratejaha Trasadu त्रसदु दधिगिरा लब्धवान् मध्यमार्गं कीशैराशान्तरोपाहृतगिरिनिकरैः सेतुमाधाप्ययातो यातून्यामद्य दंष्ट्रा नखशिखरिशिला सालशस्त्रैः स्वसैन्यैः व्याकुर्वन् सानुजस्त्वं समरभुवि परं विक्रमं शक्रजेत्रा वेगान्नागास्त्रबद्धः पतगपतिगरुन्मारुतैर्मूचितो भूः सौमित्रिस्त्वत्र शक्तिप्रहतिगलदसुर्वात जानीत शैलघ्राणात् प्राणानुपेतो व्यकृणुतस्कुसृतिश्लाघिनं मेघनादं मयाक्षोभेषु मायाक्षोभेषु वैभीषणवचनहृतस्तम्भनः कुम्भकर्णं सम्प्राप्तं कम्पितोर्वीतलमखिलचमू भक्षिणं यक्षिणोस्त्वं गृह्णन् जम्भारि सम्प्रेषितरथकवचौ रावणेनाभियुध्यन् ब्रह्मास्त्रेणास्य भिन्दन् गलततिम् अबलामग्निशुद्धां प्रगृह्णन् देवश्रेणीवरोज्जीवितसमरमृतैः अक्षतैर्वृक्षसङ्घैः लङ्का भर्त्रा च साकं निजनगरमगाः सप्रियः पुष्पकेन प्रीतो दिव्याभिषेकैः अयुतसमधिकान् वत्सरान् पर्यरंसीः मैथिल्यां पापवाचा शिव शिव किल तां गर्भिणीमभ्यहासीः शत्रुघ्नेनार्दयित्वा लवनिशिचरं प्रार्थयशूद्रपाशं तावद् वाल्मीकिगेहे कृतवसतिरुपासूत सीता सुतौ ते
Lakshmi Garu, third line, third line, Lavana Nishicharam. You missed a na there.
Okay. Shatrughnenardayitva लवण निशिचरं प्रार्थय शूद्रपाश शत्रुघ्नेनार्दयित्वा लवण निशिचरं प्रार्थय शूद्रपाशं तावद् वाल्मीकि गेहे कृतवसतिरुपासूत सीता सुतौ ते वाल्मीके त्वत्सुतोद्गापितमधुरकृते राज्ञया यज्ञवाटे सीतां त्वय्याप्तुकामे क्षितिमविशदसौ त्वं च कालार्थितो भूः हेतो सौमित्रिघाती स्वयमथ सरयूमग्ननिःशेषभृत्यैः साकं नाकं प्रयातो निजपद भगमो देववैकुण्ठमाद्यं सोऽयं मत्यावतारः तव खलु नियतं मर्त्यशिक्षार्थमेवं विश्लेषार्तिर्निरागस्त्य जनमपि भवेत् कामधर्मातिसक्त्या नो चेत् स्वात्मानुभूतेः क्वनु तव मनसो विक्रिया चक्रपाणे सत्वं सत्त्वैकमूर्ते पवनपुरपते व्याधितापान् श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.
Excellent job, Lakshmi garu. That was fantastic. I think you really you practiced a lot. Looks like it came out very fluently as well. Hope you also enjoyed practicing it, right? The more times you chant, you'll start loving it as well.
Yeah, we are group of us. We are practicing together. So, all of us. So it's really enjoyable.
Absolutely, very nice job. Okay, so 36. I think we stopped till 7. Does anybody want to try till 7? Want to volunteer? Else I'll chant it. So if anybody wants to,
I can, Rajesh.
I was going to use you as a student, Aarti, today, so I'll hold off on you.
Sure.
So anybody other than Aarti?
I just try.
So, yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead, Purnima. Yeah.
Om Shri Krishnaya Parabramane Namaha. Atre putrataya pura Tvamanusuya hi tathabido Prata shishya nibandha tandrita manaha Svastascharana kantaya Trushto bhaktatamena he hayamahi palena Tasmai varana Ashtaishwarya mukhan pradaya Dhadita svenaiva chante padam. Can you please start the tune, please?
Yeah, sure. Satyam kartumatarjunasya chavaram.
Okay. Satyam kartumatarjunasya chavaram tachakti matranatam brahmadveshi tadakilam nrupakulam hantum cha bhumer param sanjato jamadignito Sanjato jamadagnito brugakule tvam renukayam hare Ramo nama tadatma jeshvavarajaha pitro radha sammadam labdam naya ganaschatur dashavaya gandharvaraje manakam asaktam kilamataram pratipituhu krodakulasyagneyam tatadnyatiga sodarai samamimam chitvata shantarpituhu tesham jivanayo nayogamapitavaram mata cha tetadvaranam pitra matrumude stvarhata viyate Pitra matrumude stavarita viyate no janadashramat prastayat bhogurgira himagirau prastayat bhogurgira brugorgira himagirau aradya gauri patim labdva tatparashum thadukta धनुचच्छेदि महास्त्रादिकं प्राप्तो मित्रम् अताकृत व्रणमुनिं प्राप्याग्मस्वाश्रमम् आकेटोपगतोऽर्जुनः सुरगवी सम्प्राप्त सम्पद्गणैः त्वत्पित्रा परिपूजितः पुरुगतो दुर्मन्त्रिवाचा पुनः. I just lost a tune.
Yeah, let me say one stanza and then you repeat the stanza, okay?
Okay.
Aketopagatō Suragavi Samprapta Sampadganaihi Tvatpitra Paripujitaha Puragato Dhurmantri Vacha Punaha.
आकेटोपगतोऽर्जुनः सुरवगी सम्प्राप्त सम्पद्गणैः त्वत्पित्रा परिपूजितः पुरगतो दुर्मन्त्रिवाचा पुनः गां क्रेतुं oh my god, I lost it.
No, that's okay, go ahead. Yeah.
गां क्रेतुं सचिवं न्ययुङ्क्त कुदिया तेनापि रुन्दुन्मुनि प्राणक्षेप सरोष गोहत चमूचक्रेण वत्सो हतः शुक्रो जीवित तात वाक्य चलति क्रोधोत सत्यां समम्
Chalita
वाक्य चलित क्रोधोत सख्यां समं बिभ्रत्यात महोदरोपनिहितं चापं कुटारं शरान् आरूढः सह वाह यन्त्रकरतं माहिष्मती मा विशन्न वाग्भिर्वत्समधा क्षितिपतौ सम्प्रास्तुत संगरम् पुत्राणामयुतेन सप्तश
Chakshauhini Bhirmaha.
Okay. Putranamayutena saptadashabhishchakshauhitirnibhirmaha senani biraneka mitra nivaihi. I have to learn it.
That's okay. And let me say that stanza, right? I think so. Putranamayutena Saptadashabhishchakshauhini bhirmaha senani bhiraneka mitra nivahaihi vyajrumbita yodhanaha sadyastvatka kuthara bana vidalan nishesha sainyotkaro bhiti pradrudanashta shishtatanayah tvamapadadhehayah.
Okay.
Yeah. Very good job, Purnima.
The first line is it putrana or putra da mayutena?
Putranam ayutena. Putranam ayutena. Okay. So we'll get started with 8, 9, 10, 11. So and I have the meaning for this ready, but I somehow didn't get a chance to send it. So I'm going to send the meaning of this either today or tomorrow for Dasakam 36, right? So anyway, so today Sridevi Garu, can you be a student? And Aarti, can you be a student?
Sure, Andy.
Okay, so let's start with 8. Leela varita narmada jalavalal lankesha garvapah Srimat bahu sahasra mukta bahushastrastram nirundhanamum chakre tvayata vaishnavepi viphale buddhaharin tvam mudha dhyayantam chita sarvadoshamavadihi Soghat param te padam. So this one, Leela Varita Narmada Jala Balal Lankesha Garvapaha. So it's easily breakable, those words, Lankesha Garvapaha, and then put a plus. Srimat Bahu Sahasra mukta bahu shastrastram. Shastra astram. Remember it those way. So shastrastram nirundhanamum. So together. So first two lines are together, no pause. लीलावारित नर्मदा जलवलल लंकेश गर्वापह श्रीमद् बाहु सहस्र मुक्त बहुशस्त्रास्त्रम निरुंधन्नमुम. Go ahead, Sridhar.
लीलावारित नर्मदा जलवलल्लंकेश गर्वापः श्रीमद्बाहु सहस्र मुक्त बहुशस्त्रास्त्रस्तं निरुन्धन्नमुम्.
Yeah, shastrastram. Shastra astram.
शस्त्रास्त्रम्.
Yes.
शस्त्रास्त्रम्. लीलावारित नर्मदा जलवलल्लंकेश गर्वापः श्रीमद्बाहु सहस्र मुक्त बहुशस्त्रास्त्रतं निरुन्धन्नमुम्.
I think you're saying an extra th there. Shastrastram.
शस्त्रास्त्रम्.
Yes, that's it.
लीलावारित नर्मदा जलवलल्लंकेश गर्भावः श्रीमद्बाहु सहस्र मुक्त बहुशस्त्रास्त्रं निरुन्धन्नमुम्. लीलावारित नर्मदा जलवलल्लंकेश गर्भावः श्रीमद्बाहु सहस्र मुक्त बहुशस्त्रास्त्रं निरुन्धन्नमुम्.
Chakre त्वय्यत वैष्णवेपि विफले कॉमा बुद्ध्वा हरिं त्वां मुदा कॉमा ध्यायन्तं चित सर्व दोषम avadihi. If you want to break it, or dosham avadihi together, comma sogat param te padam. Chakre tvayata vaishnavepi vipale buddhva harim tvam mudha dhyayantam chita sarva dosham avadihi sogat param te padam.
चक्रे त्वय्यथ वैष्णवेपि विफले बुद्ध्वा हरिं त्वां मुदा ध्यायन्तं चित सर्वदोषमवधीः सोगात् परं ते पदम्. चक्रे त्वय्यथ वैष्णवेपि विफले बुद्ध्वा हरिं त्वां मुदा ध्यायन्तं चित सर्वदोषमवधीः सोगात् परं ते पदम्.
चक्रे त्वय्यत वैष्णवेपि विफले बुद्ध्वा हरिं त्वां मुदा ध्यायन्तं चित सर्वदोषमवधीः सोगात् परं ते पदम्. चक्रे त्वय्यत वैष्णवेपि विफले बुद्ध्वा हरिं त्वां मुदा ध्यायन्तं चित सर्वदोषमवधीः सोगात् परं ते पदम्.
Stanza 9. भूयोर्मर्षितहेहयात्मजगणैः ताते हते रेणुकाम् आज्ञानां हृदयं निरीक्ष्य बहुशो घोरां प्रतिज्ञां वहन् ध्यानानीतरदायुधस्त्वमकृता विप्रद्रुहः क्षत्रियान् दिक्चक्रेषु कुठारयन् विशिकयन् निः क्षत्रियां मेधिनीम्. So, bhuyor marshita, bhuyor ir sound, bhuyor marshita, hehaya atmaja. Those are the two words, but you have to say that together. So hehayatmaja ganaihi. The is that is there, remove that, put a visarga and a comma, ganaihi, comma.
Rajesh, is it bhuyor? We have to put ir there.
Oh, sorry, bhuyo marshita. The ir comes after ma. So bhuyo marshita, my bad. Bhuyo marshita hehayatmaja ganaihi, comma tate hate renukam. So put a im at the end of that line, renukam and a comma. Next line, Magnanam. If you have it, remove the ma and put a. Agnanam Hridayam Nirikshya Bahusho, comma, Ghoram Pratignyam Vahan. Bhuyo Marshita Heyatma Jaganaihi Tate Hate Renukam Agnanam Hridayam Nirikshya Bahusho Ghoram Pratignyam Vahan.
Bhuyo marshita he hayatmaja ganaihi tate hate renukam agnanam hrudayam niriksha bahusho ghoram pratignam vahan. Bhuyo marshita he hayatmaja ganaihi tate hate renukam agnanam hrudayam niriksha bahusho ghoram pratignam vahan.
भूयो मर्षित हे हयात्मजगणैः ताते हते रेणुकाम् आज्ञानां हृदयं निरीक्ष्य बहुशो घोरां प्रतिज्ञां वहन् भूयो मर्षित हे हयात्मजगणैः ताते हते रेणुकाम् आज्ञानां हृदयं निरीक्ष्य बहुशो घोरां प्रतिज्ञां वहन्
Dhyananitha Ratha Yudhas Twamakrita or Twamakrita Vipra. Anytime there is a visarga before the letter Ksha, you have to say that visarga. There is no joining sandhi letter. So Vipra Druhaha, you have to say that visarga there. And most of you are familiar with Devi Mahatmya, also know that certain places we say that visarga when it's coming in between before Ksha, right? So Vipra Druhaha Kshatriyan and then comma. So you don't have to necessarily pause after a drahaha. You just say that visarga, that's all. Vipra Druhaha Kshatriyan, comma.
So there is no break for this whole sentence.
Yeah, there's no break for this sentence. The sentence is continuous, but you just have to say that visarga. And when you say that visarga, there may be a small pause. That's okay. But we are not pausing there, right? After Kshatriyan, there is a comma. Dik Chakreshu Kutharayan Bishikhayan, comma. Then again, Nihi, that visarga is there. So say that visarga, no need of pausing there. Just say that visarga. Nihi Kshatriyam Medini. Dhyanani taradayudastvamakrita vipratruha kshatriyan dikchakreshu kutharayan vishikayan nihi kshatriyam medini.
Dhyanani taratayutastvamakrutha vipradruha kshatriyan dikchakreshu kutarayan vishikayan nihi kshatriya medinim.
Yeah, the third line.
Dhyana.
Sorry, Sridevi Garu. Vipra Druhaha. That there's already a ha. Druha is the ha there, and then the visarga is after that.
Vipradruhaha.
Yeah.
Dhyanani taratayudhastvamakrutha vipradruhaha kshatriyan dikchakreshu kutarayan vishikayan nihi kshatriya medinim.
ज्ञानानि तरथायुधस्त्वमकृता विप्रद्रुहः क्षत्रियान् दिक्चक्रेषु कुठारयन् विशिकयन् निहि क्षत्रियां मेदिनीम् ज्ञानानि तरथायुधस्त्वमकृता विप्रद्रुहः क्षत्रियान् दिक्चक्रेषु कुठारयन् विशिकयन् निहि क्षत्रियां मेदिनीम्.
Answer 10. Tato Jeevana Krinrupalaka Kulam Trisaptakritmo Jayenne Santarpyata Samanta Panchaka रक्तह्रदौघे पितॄन् यज्ञेष्मामपि काश्यपादिषु दिशन् साल्वेन युध्यन् पुनः कृष्णो हुम्निह निष्यतीति शमितो युद्धात् कुमारैर्भवान्. Tato Jivana. This first is half j and then a full j. Tatoj Jivana. Krin Nripalaka. So there's a kr and then krin and then there's a nr. So n and a r. Nr. Nripalaka Kulam, comma. Tris Sapta Kritvo Jayan, comma. Santarpyata. Santarpyata Samanta Panchaka Maha Rakta Hradauge Hradauge Pitrun. Okay. So no pause in the second line. Tato Jivana Krindrapalaka Kulam Trisapta Kritpo Jayan Santarpyata Samanta Panchaka Maharakta Hradauge Pitrun.
Tato Jivana Krundrupalaka Kulam Trisapta Krutvo Jayan Santarpyata Samanta Panchaka Maharakta Hrudauge Pitrun.
Hra, not Hrudauge, Hradauge.
Tato Jivana Krundrupalaka Kulam Trisapta Krutvo Jayan Santarpyata Samanta Panchaka Maharakta Hradauge Pitrun.
Tato Jivana Krinrupalaka Kulam Trisapta. Sorry, I'm pass. Tato Jivana Krinrupalaka Kulam Trisapta Kritvo Jayan Sandarpyata Samanta Panchaka Maharakta Hradauge Pitrun.
Pitrun. That's a double r sound there. Pitrun.
Pitrun. Tato Jivana Krinrupalaka Kulam Trisapta Kritvo Jayan Sandarpyata Samanta Panchaka Maharakta Hradauge Pitrun.
And Arti, and the Pitrun, right? It's a double r sound has to come. So Pitrun, you do one more.
Okay, I will try.
Some books have it as just Pitrun. Some books have it as Pitrun. So it's Pitrun is the edit there. So make a double sound there. Okay.
Pitrun. Sure.
Yagne Shmamapi Haksha Shmamapi Kashyapadishu Dishan, comma Salvena Yudhyan Punaha, comma Krishnomum Niha Nishyatiti, comma Shamito Yuddhat Kumarair Bhavan. Yagneshmamapi Kashyapadishu Dishan Salvena Yudhyan Punaha Krishnomum Niha Nishyatiti Shamito Yuddhat Kumarair Bhavan.
Yagnekshmamapi Kashyapadishu Dishan Salvena Yudhyan Punaha Krishno Mumniha Nishyatiti Shamito Yuddhat Kumarair Bhavan. Yagnekshmamapi Kashyapadishu Dishan Salvena Yudhyan Punaha Krishno Mumniha Nishyatiti Shamito Yuddhat Kumarair Bhavan.
Yagneshmamapi Kashyapadishu Dishan Salvena Yudhyan Punaha Krishno Mumniha Nishyatiti Shamito Yuddhat Kumarair Bhavan. यज्ञेष्मामपि काश्यपादिषु दिशन् साल्वेन युध्यन् पुनः कृष्णो मुं निहनिष्यतीति शमितो युद्धात् कुमारैर्भवान्.
Last stanza. न्यस्यास्त्राणि महेन्द्र भूभृति तपस्तन्वन् पुनर्मज्जितां गोकर्णाभदि सागरेण धरणीं दृष्ट्वार्तितस्तापसैः ध्याते श्वासधृतान्नलास्त्रचकितं सिन्धुं स्रुवक्षेपणात् उत्सार्योद्धृतकेरलो भृगुपते पातेश संरक्ष माम्. न्यस्यास्त्राणि, न्यस्य अस्त्राणि, so न्यस्यास्त्राणि, comma, Mahendra Bhubriti Tapas Tanvan. Then you don't have to pause there, but if you want, if you're not able to say it, you can pause, otherwise you can continue. Tapas Tanvan Punar Majjitam, and then put a plus. Punar Majjitam plus Gokarnavadi Sagarena Dharaneem, comma, Drishtvartitas. Drishtvartitas. That's a, after the drish, there is a it, not a full ter, but just a it. Drishtvartitas tapasaihi. Nyasyastrani Mahendra Bhubriti tapas tanvan punarmajjitam gokarnavadi sagarena dharaneem Drishtvartitas tapasaihi.
न्यस्त्रास्त्राणि महेन्द्र भूभृति तपस्तन्वन् पुनर्जितां गोकर्णा
Sorry, punarmajjitam.
पुनर्मज्जितां गोकर्णावधि सागरेण धरणीं दृष्ट्वार्थितस्तापसैः नस्यास्त्राणि महेन्द्र भूभृति तपस्तन्वन् पुनर्जितां गोकर्णावधि सागरेण धरणीं
Drishtvartitas.
दृष्ट्वार्थितस्तापसैः.
Shri, go to the first line, last word. Punarmajjitam.
Okay, I'm not saying that. Punarmajjitam Gokarnavadi.
Yeah.
Thank you.
न्यस्यास्त्राणि महेन्द्रभूभृति तपस्तन्वन् पुनर्मज्जितां गोकर्णावति सागरेण धरणीं दृष्ट्वार्तितस्तापसैः न्यस्यास्त्राणि महेन्द्रभूभृति तपस्तन्वन् पुनर्मज्जितां गोकर्णावति सागरेण धरणीं दृष्ट्वार्तितस्तापसैः.
Sorry. Dhyateshvasa Dhritannalastra. That's one word. Dhritanala astra. Two words are there. So you say it together. Dhritannalastra chakitam, comma, Sindhum Sruva Kshepanat. Put it at the end of the line and the comma. Sruva Kshepanat, comma. Next line, do, if you have, remove that and make it just to u. Utsaryod dhrita. Utsaryod dhrita. Keralo Bhrigupate, comma. Vatesha Samraksha Mam. Dhyateshvasa dhritannalastra chakitam Sindhum Sruvakshepanate Utsaryodhrita Keralo Bhrigupate Vatesha Samraksha Mam.
Dhyateshvasa Drutanalastra Chakitam Sindhum Sruvakshepanat Vutsaryo Druta Keralo Bhrigupate Vatesha Samrakshamam. Dhyatesha
No,
vasa
not a sh, just a ish. Dhyateshvasa.
Dhyateshvasa drutanalastra chakitam Sindhum sruvakshepanat Vutsaryo druta keralo brugupate Vatesha samrakshamam.
ज्यादेश्वासधृतानलास्त्रचकितं सिन्धुं श्रुवक्षेपणात् उज्जार्यो धृतकेरलो भृगुपते वादेश संरक्ष माम् ज्यातेश्वासधृतानलास्त्रचकितं सिन्धुं श्रुवक्षेपणात् उज्जार्यो धृतकेरलो भृगुपते வாதேஷ சம்ரக்ஷமாம். பிருகுபதிக்கு அப்புறம் ஒரு பாஸ் இருக்குல்ல?
பிருகுபதிக்கு அப்புறம் ஒரு பாஸ் இருக்கு. Shri Krishna Namaha. Okay, that completes Parshurama Avataram as well. So we only have like 5 more Dashakams left, and from 37 through 88 is all about Krishna, right? So up to 36 we covered all the other avatars. Now of course Balarama, Krishna are combined, right? 37, 38 it will start, and then from 37 through 88 is that. So we are going to do 37 and 38, which is about the birth of Sri Krishna. And then we are doing Dashakam 69, which is Rasa Krida, and then we are directly jumping to 98 and then 100, right? That's how we next 5 chapters, right? So we'll start with 37. So I'll teach this with the meaning like we normally do, right? So stanza 1. Sandhananda tanohare nanupura daivasure sanghare tvatkritta api karma shesha vashato yetena yatagatim tesham bhutala janmanam ditibhuvam bharena durardita bhumeh prapa virinchamashridha padam devaih puraivagateih. So you all remember the first stanza of the first chapter, Sandhranandava, it starts, right? Similarly here, it starts with Sandhrananda Tanohare. And similarly, when we go to the 100th chapter, when we are ending it, it'll end with Ananda, right? So it's kind of talking about that Krishna, you are like the Sandhrananda is a condensed of the bliss, all of the bliss condensed together. You are that bliss incarnated in the form of Krishna, right? So Bhattaripad is starting that because this is kind of in the middle, according to him, although it's not 50th, right? It is an important, significant separation in the Narayaniam flow. So he says, long time back, in all the other avatars where you had gotten rid of the Asuras, and generally, if the Krishna or Rama or Parashurama or in Matsya Avataram, Kurma Avataram, when you get rid of the Asuras generally get liberated as part of that. But sometimes they have so much karma still left that they don't fully get liberated. So they're born again. So here it says, even though Daivasure Sangre, in the battle between the Devas and the Asuras and all those times, you had gotten rid of all of the Asuras, because there's little bit of residual karma they still had left, because of which they started taking birth again, right, in this world. And so those Asuras, again, when they take birth, they start putting more, they start doing more bad things. And because of this, the earth was then becoming more burdensome and more bad because of all these Asuras who were there doing all the atrocities. So here it says the Bhumi, the earth itself, which was so frustrated, approached Brahma. Now, if you ask, how did earth approach Brahma? Maybe not technically the earth is approaching Brahma, but the rulers, right? Who are the Manu or whoever is responsible for the management of the earth, because of the burden of all the Asuras, is approaching Brahma to seek refuge, saying, you got to help us out because of all these people who are tormenting us. But by the time they had gone to Brahma, they also saw that Devai Puraivagatehi, the Devas had already approached Brahma ahead of time, even before the earth got represented, and they were also there with Brahma to talk about the same thing. So Sandra Nandhatano Hare, comma, Nanu Pura Daivasure Sangare, comma, Twat Kritta Api Karma Shesha Vashato, comma, yete na yata gatim. Sandhranandatano hare nanupura daivasure sangare tvatkritta api karma shesha vashato yetena yata gatim.
Sandrananda tanohare nanupura daivasure sangare tvatkritta api karma shesha vashato yetena yata gatim.
Sridevi garu, Sandra Nanda, not Nanda.
Okay, Nandatano. Okay, got it. Sandra Nandatano Hare Nanupura Daivasure Sangare Tvatkritta Api Karma Shesha Vashato Yetena Yata Gatim.
Sandranandatano hare nanupura daivasure sangare tvatkritta api karma shesha vashato yetena yata gatim. Sandranandatano hare nanupura daivasure sangare tvatkritta api karma shesha vashato yetena yata gatim.
Tesham Bhutala Janmanam Diti Bhuvam, comma, Bharena Durardita, comma, Bhumihi. So put a if to join. Bhumif Prapa Virincham Ashrita. Virincham is Brahma. So Virincham Ashrita or Virincham Ashrita together. Virincham Ashrita Padam, comma, Devaihi. So put a if again. Devaif Puraivagataihi. Tesham Bhutala Janmanam Diti Bhuvam Bharena Durardita Bhumih Prapa Virincham Ashrita Padam Devaif Puraivagataihi.
Tesham Bhutala Janmanam Diti Bhuvam Bharena Duradita Bhumif Prapa Virincha Mashrita Padam Devaif Purai Vagataihi. Tesham Bhutala Janmanam Diti Bhuvam Bharena Duradita Bhumif Prapa Virincha Mashrita Padam Devaif Purai Vagataihi.
Tesham bhutala janmanam titibhuvam bharena durartita bhumih prapa virinchama shritapadam devaif puraivagataihi. Tesham bhutala janmanam titibhuvam bharena durartita bhumih prapa virinchama shritapadam devaif puraivagataihi.
Stanza 2. Ha ha durjana bhuri bharamatitam patho nidau patukam etam palaya hantame vivashatam samprichha devaniman ityadi prachura pralapa vivasham alokya dhata mahim devanam vadanani vikshya parito dhadyau bhavantam hare. So the earth or representation of the earth is telling Durjana, bad people, Bhuri Bhara Matitam, because of the immense weight that they are putting on me. And this is not literally to be taken as that those people are heavy, right? Because of all the atrocities and everything that they are taking, the earth is no longer able to bear those. So it's kind of comparing and saying, I'm not able to bear their weight. And the earth says, because of this, I'm going to get eventually destroyed, right? In some form or the other. So the earth's representation is coming and telling Brahma, please help me out. So at that time, and the earth also is saying, you know what, if you don't believe me, you can ask these devas who are also present here. They are also witnessing all the atrocities that the asuras are doing. And you can also ask them, and they will also say the same thing. And the devas also confirm, saying, yeah, whatever is happening is true. These asuras are now going out of control. And there are a lot of asuras, and we really need somebody who can get rid of all of them. So seeing this state of it, and what Dhata, what Brahma does, is he does what he always does, which is he meditates. because anytime he meditates is where he gets the answer. And this is not just for Brahma, but for everybody, right? So Brahma then goes on meditation onto you to go and understand what is happening and how does this actually get resolved. So ha ha dhurjana bhuri bhara matitam, comma, pato nidhau, pato nidhau, patukam. So put a im there and a comma, patukam. Next line, metam becomes etam. Etam palaya hanta me vivashatam, comma, sampricha devaniman. Ha ha dhurjana bhuri bharamatitam pato nidhau patukam etam palaya hanta me vivashatam sampricha devaniman.
Ha ha durjana bhuri bhara mathitam patho nidhau patukam etam palaya hantameva vivashatam sampricha devaniman. Ha ha durjana bhuri bhara mathitam patho nidhau patukam etam palaya hantame vivashatam sampricha devaniman.
Ha ha durjana bhuri bharamatitam pato nidau patukam etam palaya hantame vivashatam sampricha devaniman. Ha ha durjana bhuri bharamatitam pato nidau patukam etam palaya hantame vivashatam sampricha devaniman.
Ityadhi prachura pralapa vivasham, im, vivasham, and then a comma. So that ma that is there, we're going to break it into im and a a. So vivasham, comma, alokya, next word, alokya dhata mahim, comma, devanam vadanani vikshya parito, comma, dadhyau bhavantam hare. इत्यादि प्रचुर प्रलाप विवशाम आलोक्य धाता महीम देवानां वदनानि वीक्ष्य परितो दध्यौ भवन्तं हरे.
इत्यादि प्रचुर प्रलाप विवशाम आलोक्य धाता महीम देवानां वदनानि वीक्ष्य परितो दध्यौ भवन्तं हरे. इत्यादि प्रचुर प्रलाप विवशाम आलोक्य धाता महीम देवानां वदनानि वीक्ष्य परितो दध्यौ भवन्तं हरे.
इत्यादि प्रचुर प्रलाप विवशाम आलोक्य दाता महिम देवानां वदनानि वीक्ष्य परितो दद्यौ भवन्तं हरे. इत्यादि प्रचुर प्रलाप विवशाम आलोक्य दाता महिम देवानां वदनानि वीक्ष्य परितो दद्यौ भवन्तं हरे.
Arthi, and the two corrections. One is the ityadhi is a short one, okay? So ityadhi prachura. And the mahim is a long one.
Long, okay.
Okay, I think you just said it reverse. So ityadhi and then mahim.
Mahim, got it, yeah.
Right. So maybe we'll just switch if others are available as students, right? So maybe Jyoti Garu and Madhavi Garu, are you available to be students?
Yes, Rajesh.
Yes,
Garu,
Sandy.
I
Yes,
think
Rajesh
Jyoti
Garu.
Garu should go first.
Okay, no worries. Okay, so Aarti and Sridevi Garu, you can take a break. Start with stanza 3. Uche chambhuja bhura munai surhaha satyam dharitrya vacho nanvasya bhavatam cha rakshana vidhau daksho hi lakshmi patihi sarve sharva purassara vayamito gatva payo varidhim नत्वा तं स्तुमहे जवादिति ययुः साकं तवाकेतनम्. So Brahma, when they come and say this, he says, Ambuja Bhuhu. Ambuja means lotus. Bhuhu means one who is born from that. So one who is lotus born, which is Brahma here, says, O Devas, whatever you all are saying is true. And whatever the earth is saying is also true, that the Asuras have not taken over. So I do believe your words, and I understand that, we need help here. So when it comes to Rakshana, when it comes to matters of protection, then there's only one person who can help us out, and that is Lakshmi Patihi, that is Vishnu. So he's the only one who can actually help us in situations like this. So there's no other choice we have. So we all have to go there. So all Sarve Sharva Purassara. Sharva means Lord Shiva. Sarve means everybody. So so Brahma, all the Devas, including Lord Shiva, all of them. So Brahma says, let's all of us go from here to Payovaridhim. We'll go to the Milky Ocean where Lord Vishnu is there. And then we will then, once you go there, we'll then have to prostrate before him and kind of request him or ask for his help to actually help protect us here. So having said that, they all now went to Tavaketanam, to your abode, O Lord. They all came to visit you. So Uche Chambhuja Bhur. Bhura Munai. You kind of I would say the whole word together. So Uche Chambhuja Bhura Munai Suraha, comma there. Satyam Dharitriya Vacho, comma. Nanvasya Bhavatam Cha Rakshana Vidhau, comma. Daksho Hi Lakshmi Patihi. Uche Chambhuja Bhura Munai Suraha Satyam Dharitriya Vacho Nanvasya Bhavatam Cha Rakshana Vidhau Daksho Hi Lakshmi Patihi.
ऊचे चाम्बुज भूरमान मूनयिसुराः सत्यं दरिद्र्या वचो नन्वस्या भवताञ्च रक्षण विधौ दक्षो हि लक्ष्मीपतिः. ऊचे चाम्बुज मूनयिसुराः सत्यं दरिद्र्या वचो नन्वस्या भवताञ्च रक्षण विधौ दक्षो हि लक्ष्मीपतिः.
Uche Chambhuja Bhura Munai Suraha Satyam Dharitriya Vacho Nanvasya Bhavatam Cha Rakshana Vidhau Daksho Hi Lakshmi Patihi. Uche Chambhuja Bhura Munai Uche Chambhuja Bhura Munai Suraha Satyam Dharitriya Vacho Nanvasya Bhavatam Cha Rakshana Vidhau Daksho Hi Lakshmi Patihi.
Sarve Sharva Puras Sara Vayamito, comma, Gatva Payo Varidhim, comma, Natva Tam Stumahe Javaditi Yayuhu, comma, Sakam Tavaketanam. Sarve Sharva Purassara Vayamito Gatva Payo Varidhim Natva Tam Stumahe Javaditi Yayuhu Sakam Tavaketanam.
Have it the other way around. You is first you and ya.
Yayuhu.
Is it Yayuhu? Okay.
Yayuhu. Ya and then Yuhu.
Okay.
सर्वे शर्वपुरस्सरा वयमितो गत्वा पयोवारिधिं नत्वा तं स्तुमहे जवादिति ययुः साकं तवाकेतनं. सर्वे शर्वपुरस्सरा वयमितो गत्वा पयोवारिधिं नत्वा तं स्तुमहे जवादिति ययुः साकं तवाकेतनं.
सर्वे शर्वपुरःसरा वयमितो गत्वा पयोवारिधिं नत्वा तं स्तुमहे जवादिति ययुः साकं तवाकेतनम् सर्वे शर्वपुरःसरा वयमितो गत्वा पयोवारिधिं नत्वा तं स्तुमहे जवादिति ययुः साकं तवाकेतनम्.
Stanza 4. ते मुग्धानिलशालि दुग्ध जलदे स्थिरं गता संगता यावत् त्वत्पद चिन्तनैकमनसः तावत् सपादोच भूः त्वद्वाचं हृदये निशम्य सकलान् आनन्दयन्नूचिवान् आख्यातः परमात्मना स्वयमहं वाक्यं तथा कर्ण्यताम्. So Brahma goes, they all go there, and in Bhagavatam, it says Brahma then meditates on him again, chants the Purusha Suktam there, and eventually they are on the shores of the Dugdha Jaladehe, means milky ocean. They go there, and they have their mind fixated on Tvat Pada, so your feet. So everywhere you'll see that, all the way from the beginning through the 100th chapter, Bhattacharya always says, you have to meditate on the Lord's feet. He never says meditate on the Lord's face or Lord's body. He always says meditates on the Lord's feet. And even here it says that Brahma and everybody else are meditating on your feet, Tvat Pada, and they were fixed on it and they were meditating. And at that time, the Pado Jabuhu, the lotus born Brahma, then hears in his mind, he hears the voice, which makes Sakalan Anandayan, which is going to make everybody happy. He hears something which makes everybody happy. And then he says to everybody here that Paramatmana Swayam, the Supreme Lord himself, right, has told me some things. And I'm going to repeat that to you. And on hearing that, Akarnyatam, Vakyam Tat Akarnyatam, on listening to that, you all are going to feel extremely happy. So he's just communicating, he's talking in first person. He doesn't say what the Supreme Lord says. He just says, I've got a message, and from the Supreme Lord himself, and he has directly communicated to me what he's going to do to help us out here. So he says thus. So te mugdhanila shali dugdha jaladhes tiram. If you have jaladehe, then put a visarga there, put a is to join it. Most books already have it. So jaladhes tiram gataha, so put another is there, gatas sangata, so no comma, continuous, and then put a plus at the end of sangata. Yavat tvat pada chintanaika manasaha, so there you remove that is and put a visarga and a comma, manasaha, comma, tavat sa patoja bhuhu, so it's continuous till that Chintanaika Manasaha. Te mugdhanilashali dugdha jaladhe stiram gata sangata yavat tvatpada chintanaika manasaha tavat sapathoja bhuhu.
ते मुग्धानिलशालि दुग्धजलदे स्थिरं गता संगता यावत् त्वत्पदचिन्तनैकमनसः तावत् सपादो जभूः. ते मुग्धानिलशालि दुग्धजलदे स्थिरं गता संगता यावत् त्वत्पदचिन्तनैकमनसः तावत् सपाथो जभूः. Did I get it, Rajesh
That's
garu?
correct. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah.
Te mugdhanilashali dugdha jalate stiram gata sanghata yavat vatpada chintanaika manasaha tavat saphato jabhuhu. Te mugdhanilashali dugdha jalate stiram gata sanghata yavat Tvatpada chintanaika manasaha tavat saphato jabhuhu.
Correct. I think the Sangata, if you want, you can just stretch it a little bit so you're not saying it like too continuous, right? If you're going to run out of breath.
Okay.
So Gata, Sangata, Yavat, then you get a little bit of space, right?
Oh.
To breathe, that's all.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Twadvacham Hridaye Nishamya, comma, Sakalan Ananda. That'll be easier way to say would be to break it there. That'd be the easiest way. Sakalan Ananda. Sakalan Ananda Yennuchivan. Put a in at the end of that line and a comma. In, comma. Next line, Nakyata becomes Akyata. So Akyataha is there. Put a if to join. Akyataf Paramatmana Swayamaham, comma, Vakyam Tadha Karanyatam. One word, Tadha Karanyatam. Tvatvacham Hridaye Nishamya Sakalan Anandayennuchivan Akyataf Paramatmana Swayamaham Vakyam Tadha Karanyatam.
Twadvacham hridaye nishamya sakalan anandayannuchivan akyataf paramatmana swayamaham vakyam tada karnyatam. Twadvacham hridaye nishamya sakalan anandayannuchivan akyataf paramatmana swayamaham Vakyam tada karnyatam.
Twadvacham hrudaye nishamya sakalan anandayan nochivan akhyataf paramatmana swayamaham vakyam tada karnyatam.
After that Swayamaham, there is a pause. Okay.
There's a pause. Okay. Missed that one. Can I say sakalan ananda?
Yeah, you can try to say that. No worries at all. It'll be easier if you want to do Sakalan, but you can try to say it together as well.
Okay. Twadvacham hrudaye nishamya sakalan anandayan nochivan akhyataf paramatmana swayamaham vakyam tada karnyatam.
Stanza 5. Janhe dina dashamaham divishadam bhumescha bhimairnrupaihi tatshepaya bhavami yadavakule soham samagratmana deva vrishnikule bhavantu kalaya devanganaschavanau matsevartamiti tvadiya vachanam patho jabhuruchivan. So patho jabuhu uchivan. So Brahma, who now said in the previous stanza, he said, hey, the Supreme Lord himself has told me something, so let me tell you. So that Brahma now, patho jabuhu uchivan, he now says that the Lord is telling this. So kind of think of it as in quotes, right? Lord is telling, Jane dhina dashamaham. Yes, I know the plight. I know the state of what is actually happening, of the gods and of the earth, and all the trouble that has been caused by all the asuras and the cruel kings who are actually there. So tat shepaya, so for the complete destruction of all of those bad things, bhavami, I myself would be born in Yadava Kule, in the clan of the Yadavas. I myself am going to take birth with Saham Samagratmana, with all my powers, right? So I think I must have mentioned, I don't know, in this group or in other groups, right, that the various avatarams, a lot of them are called Leela avatarams, means they come for one particular action, right? So if you think of Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Vamana, Narasimha, all of that, the god is coming for one specific purpose. It comes for that purpose and then he leaves, right? That's a Leela avataram. There are only two avatarams where he comes as Purna avataram, the full avataram, from birth, like from the beginning to the end, which is Rama avataram and then Krishna avataram. And even between Rama avataram and Krishna avataram, if you compare, and not to compare who is better or who is good or who is bad, I'm just gently saying that if you look at it, Rama was still constrained by a lot of things, by his principles as well, right? So like, he had to listen to this, he had to go to the forest, and then he had to follow a certain way to go destroy Ravana, to go kill, all those, eliminate all the bad things. He was following certain rules, certain principles, and he didn't use the entire might of Rama, although Rama was very powerful, right? And he didn't, however, use all the entire power. Like when he was born, he didn't go and lift Govardhana mountain, right? So, but in Krishna's case, and that's the difference, where Krishna is saying, I'm going to be born myself with full powers, right? And that's the reason you'll start seeing, not in this chap group, right? But when we eventually go to 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 40, all of those Dasakams, even before he turned 6 years, right? Putana, Trinavarta, Dhenukasura, Arghasura, all these Asuras come, who are Kamsa's people, who then all come in different forms and shapes, and he destroys all of them when he's 1 year old, right? So which is kind of very unusual, right? So Rama doesn't do any of such things, or none of those others do any such things. So that's the difference here. It's a Purna Avataram, and he says, I'm going to be born with all of my powers in the Yadava clan, Yadava Kule. And then he says, there have been a lot of devas or gods who have been wanting to serve me, and they haven't had an opportunity, and they've been praying or meditating for several years to be able to get that opportunity. So those gods are then going to be also born in the Vrishni, in the clan of Vrishni, in the Yadava, in the Nandagopa clan, they're going to be born. And then their wives, Devanganaha, the wives of those gods, of the devas, will be born as the Gopikas on the earth, and they will then continue to serve me through my time there. And I think this there's a lot of description of the Gopika Bhakti, which we won't get in here, about how that is the supreme form of devotion. So those Gopikas are also going to be born there to serve me. And thus the Lord told Brahma, and Brahma then tells it to all the devas and all the gods here. I know that was a very long-winded explanation, but I was just giving you a context of the Krishna Avataram, right? So, Jane Dina Dashamaham, comma, Divishadam Bhumeshcha Bhimair Nripaihi. So, Visarga at the end and a comma, Nripaihi. The next line, if you have a is, you can remove that off. Tat Kshepaya Bhavami Yadava Kule, comma, Soham Samagratmana. Janhe Dina Dashamaham Divishadham Bhumescha Bhimair Nripaihi Tatshepaya Bhavami Yadava Kule Soham Samagratmana.
जाने दीन दशामहं दिविशदां भूमेश्च भीमैर्नृपैः तत्क्षेपाय भवामि यादवकुले सोऽहं समग्रात्मना जाने दीन दशामहं दिविशदां भूमेश्च भीमैर्नृपैः तत्क्षेपाय भवामि यादवकुले सोऽहं समग्रात्मना
जाने दीन दशामहं दिविशदां भूमेश्च भीमैर्नृपैः तत्क्षेपया भवामि यादवकुले सोहम samagratmana.
The second line, we go to first word. Tat Kshepaya.
Okay, I forgot the dirgham. Okay. Jane dina dashamaham divishadam bhumescha bhimairnripaihi tatshepaya bhavami yadava kule soham samagratmana.
Deva Vrishnikule Bhavantu Kalaya, comma, Devanganash Chavanau. If you want to break it, Devanganash Chavanau, comma, Mat Sevartam iti. Mat Sevartam iti. Tvadiya Vachanam, comma, Patoja Bhur Uchivan or Patoja Bhuruchivan. Together, one word. Patoja Bhuruchivan. Deva Vrishnikule Bhavantu Kalaya Devanganaschavano Matse Vartamiti Tvadiya Vachanam पाथोज भूरुचिवान्
देवा वृष्णिकुले भवन्तु कलया देवांगनाश्चावनौ मत्सेवार्थमिति त्वदीयवचनं पातो च भूरुचिवान् देवा वृष्णिकुले भवन्तु कलया देवांगनाश्चावनौ मत्सेवार्थमिति त्वदीयवचनं पातो च भूरुचिवान्
देवा वृष्णिकुले भवन्तु कलया देवांगनाश्चावनौ मत्सेवार्थमिति त्वदीयवचनं पाथोज भूरुचिवान् देवा वृष्णिकुले भवन्तु कलया देवांगनाश्चावनौ मत्सेवार्थमिति त्वदीयवचनं पाथोज भूरुचिवान्.
श्रुत्वा कर्णरसायनं तव वचः सर्वेषु निर्वापितस्वान्तेष्वीश गतेषु तावक कृपा पीयूष तृप्तात्मसु विख्याते मधुरापुरे खिल भवत् सान्निध्य पुण्योत्तरे धन्यां देवकनन्दनामुदपहत्राजास शूरात्मजः. So whatever the words that Brahma now spoke of what the Supreme Lord said, it was karna rasayanam, was like nectar like to the ears, right? They were extremely happy. The devas and everybody, they were extremely happy to hear that. And now because of this, their mind was free from all the sorrow, because they knew that the Lord is going to take the necessary avataram to get rid of all of this. So they were all extremely happy, cleared of all the sorrow, and they all go. And your Tvava Kripa, your compassion really satisfied them, and they became extremely happy. So that got over now. Then after several years, right, because it's the Deva years, right, so a lot of years passed by, and then Vikhyate Madhurapure. So a lot of people now call it Mathura. It is actually Madhura, because it's the city is named Madhura because of Madhu, because of honey, because it is a very sweet city, right, for whatever reason. So that's why it's Madhura, not Mathura, right? So in the city of Madhura, which was already very sweet because of the name itself, having the word honey in that. However, Bhavat Sanidhya Punyottare, which became even more pious and even more sacred because of you taking birth in there, O Krishna, in that city of Madhura, this Devaka Nandanam. So the daughter of King Devaka, which is referring to Devaki. So the daughter of King Devaka, Devaki, then married a king, Shurat Majaha, who is the son of Shurasena, which is Vasudeva. So in that city of Madhura, Devaki then gets married to Vasudeva. So that's all. Bhattacharya directly starts from there. He doesn't go back into the history of who they were and all that. Directly, Devaki is getting married to Vasudeva here. So Shrutva Karna Rasayanam Tava Vachaha, comma, Sarveshu Nirvapita, and then put a plus, Swanteshvisha, comma, Gateshu Tavaka Kripa Piyusha Triptatmasu. Shrutva Karnarasayanam Tava Vachaha Sarveshu Nirvapita Swanteshvisha Gateshu Tavaka Kripa Piyusha Triptatmasu.
Shrutva karnarasayanam tava vachaha sarveshu nirvapita swanteshvisha gat comma, right? Sorry, swante Shrutva karnarasayanam tava vachaha sarveshu nirvapita swanteshvisha gateshu tavaka kripa piyusha truptatmasu. Shrutva karnarasayanam tava vachaha sarveshu nirvapita swanteshvisha gateshu tavaka kripa piyusha truptatmasu.
Shrutva karna rasayanam tava vachas Vachas or vacha?
Vachaha.
Vachaha.
We'll put a stop, the pause there. Yeah.
Shrutva karnarasayanam tava vachaha sarveshu nirvapitas swanteshvisha gateshu tavaka krupa piyusha truptat masu. Okay. Shrutva karnarasayanam tava vachaha sarveshu nirvapitas swanteshvisha gateshu tavaka krupa piyusha truptat masu.
Vikyate Madhurapure, comma, Kila Bhavat Sanidhya Punyottare, comma, Dhanyam Devaka Nandanam Udavahat Draja. So if you want to break it, you can break it at Nandanam Udavaha if you want to break it. Udavahat Draja, that's one word, because Udavahat Raja, it gets joined. So Draja sa Shuratmajaha. So that line has no pause there. So that's why if you want, it will be Devaka. You can either say Nandanam Udavahat Draja or Nandanam Udavahat Draja. Sa Shuratmajaha. Vikyate Madhurapure Kila Bhavat Sanidhya Punyottare Dhanyam Devakanandana Mudavahat Raja Sasuratmajaha.
Vikyate Madhurapure Kila Bhavat Sanidhya Punyottare Dhanyam Devakanandanam Udavahadraja Sashuratmajaha. Vikyate Madhurapure Kila Bhavat Sanidhya Punyottare Dhanyam Devakanandanam Udavahadraja Sashuratmajaha.
Vikyate Madhurapure Kila Bhavat Sanidhya Punyottare Dhanyam Devaka Nandanam Udavahadraja Shuratmajaha. Sorry, I took a breath.
It's okay.
Vikyate Mathurapure Kila Bhavat Sanidhya Punyottare Dhanyam Devaka Nandanam Udavahadraja Sashuratmajaha.
We'll just do one more today and stop because I want to be able to finish the next chapter by end of next class. So Udvaha vasitau tadhiya sahajaha kamsota sammanayenne yetau sutataya gatah patirathe vyomottaya tvadghira asyastvamati dushtamastamasuto hanteti hanteritah Santrasat satu hantumanti gagatam tanvim kripani madhat. So Udvaha, the marriage now gets over between Devaki and Vasudeva. When that gets over, Devaki's brother Kamsa himself decides that he wants to honor because he's extremely happy that his sister has gotten married, and Vasudeva is also an extremely close friend of Kamsa actually. So he then Sammana and he decides to honor this couple. And then he says, you know what, I myself, I'm going to ride the chariot and then take you around and show everybody that you are married. And so he himself, Sutataya, he becomes a charioteer of Devaki and Vasudeva. And as he gets onto this chariot, then Tvadghira, your voice, Patripat says, he hears a voice in the sky. And Patripat says, this is your voice. So you are kind of indicating to this Kamsa saying, Twam, you are Ati Dushtam. You are an extremely wicked person, O Kamsa. You are an extremely cruel person. You are a wicked person. And why are you now, you are carrying your taking your sister and your brother-in-law here. But do you realize that Asyaha, her Ashtama Sutaha, her 8th son, is going to be Hantaiti, is going to be your killer. So her 8th son is going to be killing you. And without realizing this, you are now taking them on a drive and then honoring them. And you are a wicked person and you deserve to be killed, and her 8th son is going to be the one who kills. So thus Kamsa hears it. So then once the moment Kamsa hears that, he gets extremely angry and he gets also frightened. And what he does is he immediately takes up a sword and then goes to Hantum anti gatam tanvim. He goes immediately to go kill his sister itself. He then decides to immediately go kill Devaki with a sword. That beautiful lady, it says, and which is referring to Devaki here. So seventh, right? Yeah. So udvaha vasitau tadiya sahajaha, comma, kamsota sammanayen. Put a in there, sammanayen, and comma. Next line, if you have a small in and a big in, a and all that, remove all that, just put etau, just one letter, etau sutataya gataha. So put a if, gataf pati rate, comma, vyomotaya twadgira. And Jyoti Garu and Madhvi, just say one time, okay? Otherwise we run out of time. Udvaha vasitau tadhiya sahajaha kamsota sammanayente etau sutataya gataf patirate vyomotaya twadgira.
उद्वाहावसितौ तदीय सहजः कंपोत सम्मानयन् एतौ सूततया गतः पतिरते व्योमोत्तया त्वद्गिरा.
उद्वाहावसितौ तदीय सहजः कंसोत सम्मानयन् एतौ सूततया गतः पतिरथे व्योमोत्थया त्वद्गिरा.
Asyas tvam ati dushtam ashtama suto. Okay, that's all the way you can break it. Asyas tvam ati dushtam ashtama, or you can say together dushtam ashtama suto, comma, hanteti hante ritaha, comma, santrasat sa tu hantum antika gatham tanvim kripanim adhat or kripanim adhat together. Asyas tvamati dushtam ashtama suto hanteti hante ritaha santrasat satu hantum antika gatham tanvim kripanim adhat.
Is there a break in the second line, Rajesh?
No break in the last line. No.
Is there a break in the first line? Sorry.
After suto.
Okay, thanks.
अस्यास्त्वामति दुष्टमष्टमसुतो हन्तेति हन्तेरितः सन्त्रासात् स तु हन्तुमन्तिकगतां तन्वीं कृपाणीमधात्.
अस्यास्त्वामति दुष्टमष्टमसुतो हन्तेति हन्तेरितः सन्त्रासात् स तु हन्तुमन्तिकगतां. No comma, sorry. Santrasat satu hantumantikagatam tanvim krupanimadat.
Jai Parabrahmane Namaha. Sandhanandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam kaladheshavadibhyam nirmuktam nityamuktam nigamashata sahasrena nirbhasyamanam aspashtam drishtamatre punarurupurushartatmakam brahmatattvam tatthavad bhadi sakshat gurupavanapure hanta bhagyam janana kahena vacha manasendriyedva बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.